God, na-disgrasya guys. Sa iyo pa sa ning auto, kita siya tubol. Sa ni siya tawag ni kanang solid lane niyo, yan labang yun. Kali. What's up guys? What's up amigos, amigas, YouTube subscribers, non-subscribers, and hope you will subscribe to my channel. Okay, so another day and another vlog. And did you notice something on my... Yeah, I have a new haircut. So again, I'm going to the office right now, and later I will go home early because we will go to Simply J's Resto Bar near Park Lane, across Park Lane, I think, because we celebrate our auntie's birthday. Yeah, my aunt's birthday. We will celebrate it later, so I will go early in the office so that I can go home early also, because I have to fetch my kids, my parents in the south, and go back again in the city, because Simply J's is located in Park Lane, which is in the city. Okay, so yeah, I'm going early. So my aircon is already fixed. It's A-OK. So no need to bring towel because it's so cold inside the car. Oh my god. So I'm still heading to the office, and I'm here at Family Park. That's Family Park, I think. Okay. So still going, and I'm almost there. Okay, maybe 10 minutes more and I'll be there. I'll be there. I'll be there? That's a song, right?
Just think of me and I'll be there.
What's this? Another accident? 2 in a row. Oh my god, that's 2 in a row. And what we have here? So, what's up? They go out ko early sa office cause ulit pa ko sa balay. We'll go home and fetch my kids and my parents kay naalagi mi atinan na party sa city. So, murag balik-balik ang akong agi guys. So, it's okay because it's not every day na we have party to attend, di ba? So, I will off sa kay kasi mag-copyright ako ta. Some of my videos na copyright na ba ko sa YouTube. So anyways, so nana ko diri sa may AS Fortuna. Duduhan na po kong diretso dito sa may sa may tawag na kanang Gaisano bitaw Country Mall kay murag traffic na kayo. So nilikod ako sa AS Fortuna, and then same gyapon katong route na ko sa katong previous na vlog bitaw na mo diretso sa Panaglait, and then Agio flyover sa Wireless, and then diretso na North Terminal Bus, and then SM, and then SRP. Tapos murag maura magandang way na madali ang akong biyahe pa doon muli ba. So yeah, ang akong wife diretso na siya dito because layo na kay ko ako pa siyang napito. Okay, so see you later. By the way, ang akong friend sa Facebook ba, na siya gipost na it's a boy. So, naibong ko kay he's not married. I think kanang na siya girlfriend ako. I'm not sure. But yun siya, it's a boy. So, ako siyang gi-message, what do you mean it's a boy? Nanaday kay anak? Siya, no. Ang nadaog ba sa US election, it's a boy. So, it's Donald Trump din nadaog. Trump. Nasa iningon sa Facebook na ko, si Trump Pulano ang nidao, meaning it's Donald Trump. So, siya na yun. About the dispute against the Americans, like si Duterte karon ba, diba, yan na mag-ipotol yung relasyon sa Amerika, which is the whole Philippines ma-affected nila na. What happened to the call centers here in the Philippines? I mean, ako kikita ba ang call center this Pilipinas, diba? Not only sa kanang mga call center agents, but sa government, because ang taxes, diba, dako kis lang tax na collect from call center companies, no? So again, what happened? Unsay may tabo sa call center dito sa Pilipinas, no? Because I don't know. Please comment below kuno. I'm near na. I'm so near at home. Maybe it will take less than 10 minutes. So I hope na humanasad sila dito. And then after this, wala, balik na po sa city. Go back to the city and go to the venue. Maragit na. So pakal sa to. If Will and Hailey Dasovich has Chibog time, Pepero has Pakals time! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy This is a surprise party. Basta ko na surprise.